I just saw that Krispy Kreme at SM Lanang Premier is offering the Day of the Dozen. So you will get your second dozen for only 76 pesos. What a great deal. This has happened before, but I wasn't able to avail of such. So now I'm tempted to go to SM Lanang. To go or not to go? Hi guys, so today is December 12th and I am going out. It is now 3:05 p.m. I'm going to bring you with me today. And yeah, I haven't been vlogging, so right now is the right time to vlog. I just finished getting ready. I'm just going to do some errands at the mall, and I'm going to get a new phone and renew our Sun plan. And what else? Well, let's see later, guys, where I'm going to bring you. Okay, so see you later. Bye. So I'm heading out. Finally, I've prepared a lot of things. Like, oh my god, did I bring it? Ano ko ba yun? I think I brought it. I'm supposed to laminate something, my ID for the hospital. Yeah, I know, right? I'm still the one that I had to do that. Here's the diversion road, so I should not vlog now. Pero wala namang kotse. So yeah, I love this song. See you later, heading to Abriza. And now I'm here, turning left. Ang bilis, no? One-hand driver. Huwag niyo tong gayahin, guys. Pasok na kami sa car park. Car park mode. Oh, sige, dito ako pa-park kasi pumunta kang Sun. So, we're now parked. So, I'm ready. Ayusin lang natin ang napakagulo kong book. Ang blurry. So, here's Spiky, ang blurred. Super. Ayan. That's me and my reflection. Ang ilaw, mailaw dito sa park naman. And I'm just going to Sun. Punta ako sa Sun first to finalize our plan. So I'm going up to Sun shop and I'm still waiting for the elevator to arrive. So apparently naglipat ako ng parking. I changed parking just because I parked in the wrong area and the entrance in that area was closed. Got our new phone. It took me around ilang hours ba sa Sun? I think almost 2 hours. My gosh. I got the Galaxy S2. I'll show you later. Hi guys! So, ngayon ko lang naalala, I just remembered that I should vlog. So yeah, I'm currently going home. It is now almost 7 p.m. 6:27 p.m. pa naman. And medyo traffic lang naman ng konti. And yeah, probably you can't see me, madilim. After going to Sun, after waiting, went ahead and had my ID laminated at National Bookstore. And then afterwards, I went to Krispy Kreme. I totally forgot about Krispy Kreme. I was supposed to buy like they have a promo ongoing about the 76 pesos to add to have another dozen of donuts. And so yeah, hanggang 6 p.m. lang kasi yun. And I went there around 5, almost 6 p.m. 10 minutes to 6 p.m. And I was still able to avail. However, wala lang donuts. There were no donuts available, so I'd have to claim my donuts tomorrow. But I paid for a much lesser price today. So yeah, ganon. And I hope I don't bother you that I'm vlogging while I'm driving kasi slow lang din naman ang takbo ko. Going home now. I haven't told you, but I'm still going on duty later tonight at 11 p.m. So I'll try to bring you and maybe show you how I get ready for tonight. I'll try to catch some sleep muna before I go home. If I could, kasi medyo mahirap for me na matulog at this time. So yeah, see you later. Bye! Traffic! So medyo bad trip kasi it's drizzling, and you know, who loves drizzling when you have a car? Yung drizzle na mga remnants na iiwan talaga sa yung car. I have a new phone, by the way. I will show you. It's not really my phone like for good kasi for my father, but for the meantime, I'll be using it. Hi guys, so I'm now home, and here is the phone that I got earlier today. It's the Samsung S Duo. Tapos ang ganda para siyang maliit na S4. It looks like a small Samsung Galaxy S4, and the picture quality is so nice. Look, diba? Can't see it that clearly, but maganda ang picture quality niya, and the screen is, I think it feels as though it's AMOLED already. So yeah, I have less expectations for this phone, but it really looks great, and soon enough I'm going to use my mother's iPhone. So this I'm using for now. This will be used by my I have hair. This will be used by my father soon. So yeah. Ang saya. So I just finished eating dinner, and I'm gonna try to get some sleep, maybe for an hour. So yeah, I hope I could sleep. Hi guys! So bare face, beware. So I'm just going to get ready, and I'm going to put you here with me. It's like a get ready with me video. I'm going on a night duty, so practically, supposedly, hindi na ako makeup, diba? Pero, ano man, parang hindi ako sanay. It's like I had to put on some makeup. Talaga. I don't know. Yeah, hindi ako sanay ng ganitong face ko. Siguro pag nasanay na ako night ng night, or maybe if better na face ko. As you can see, I have been breaking out so bad. And I know na dapat, mas lalong dapat di ako makeup kasi I'm breaking out. But matigas ang ulo ko. So I'm going to use my favorite e.l.f. Acne Fighting Foundation. So hindi ko pa to na-review. Sorry guys. I hope you understand na I have been really busy. So I'm going to get this much. As you can see, hindi talaga siya runny. This is my favorite brush. So I'm just going to use my Intuit brow powder. Bago lang ako gumagamit ng eyebrow. Tawag dito? Brow set. Para ata ma-blend mo talaga lahat together. Isiset ko muna. Gamit ko itong favorite ko na Benay. Banana Luxury Powder. Fluffy brush, whatever's left. Actually, yan lang. Lipstick na lang. Isin ko lang buhok ko kasi. Earrings. Ginagad kong earrings during duty, silver. But if you know me, alam mo na gold talaga ako na person. So, ito yung time na magabi ko, silver earrings. Well, kasi parang pangit naman naka-gold ako ng earrings. Punta ako sa kitchen area. Nagkuha ko ng coffee. Okay, parang wala na. So I'm going to choose this Mr. Brown Macadamia Nut Iced Coffee for tonight. So, first time ko tong inumin. I heard this from Say. So, I'm still finishing up my coffee, and Masarap siya, pero mas concentrated nga lang yung Nescafe Espresso that I have in there. Tapos, I'm leaving in a few minutes. I'm just going to show you what's in my bag. So, ang prepare ko, I have here yung uniform na susuotin ko sa loob ng sterile area. Wallet. Dito yung phones ko. Cologne. Coin purse. Ito, Revlon ang ginagamit ko always basta on duty. Then, camera case, hanky, jot down notebook, aking DTR, old school reliever kasi, tissue, tapos my 3 colored pens, important for a nurse, and my Trodat. It's the stamp of my name para whenever I sign. And yeah, I think that's all. And I need to bring food, pero meron na pala ako sa locker ko. So I'm now leaving home. I guess I'll end my vlog here. So bye. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, good morning, and it's now the morning, and yeah, ito na mukha ko sa bog face after 8 hours of duty for the nocturnal shift. So yeah, of course I wasn't able to vlog during work because yeah, I should not do that, but yeah, I am leaving now, going home, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.